A federal appeals court has reversed the dismissal of Aurora Regino's case against the Chico Unified School District. Regino filed the suit after the school district adopted a policy allowing staff to use her child's new preferred name and pronouns without telling her mother. The North States News' Hannah Gutierrez spoke with a representative of the Reginos, and she's in Chico tonight. Hannah.
Thank you, Mike. Yeah, officials are expressing optimism about the reversal, in which they say could lay the foundation for other similar cases across the country. Chico mother Aurora Regino's daughter, referred to in legal documents as AS, was an 11-year-old fifth grader at Sierra View Elementary School in the fall of 2021, where according to Court of Appeals documents, AS told a school counselor she, quote, felt like a boy in early 2022, in which the counselor asked her if she would like to go by a different name and use male pronouns. AS agreed and asked the counselor to refrain from telling her mother. Then school officials began to refer to her as JS and use male pronouns. In January 2023, Regino filed a lawsuit against Superintendent Kelly Staley due to a school district policy that prohibits school staff from notifying parents of student gender transition unless told to do so by the student, which she says violated her fundamental rights as a parent. The case was dismissed by the lower court in July 2023. Then in November 2024, Regino appealed to the Ninth Circuit Court, who subsequently reversed the dismissal and revived the case.
There have been cases around the country. There have been a couple in the courts of appeals on the East Coast that have gone the other way. And so this is the first one at the Court of Appeals that hasn't resulted in the dismissal or the affirmance of the lower court's dismissal.
Court documents note Regino, quote, did not precisely identify her asserted fundamental rights, while Staley did not identify justifications for the district's policy. With the case's revival, legal representatives of Regino say they're evaluating their options.
One is to go back to the district court and argue the case again before the district court. Another is to seek to have the full Ninth Circuit hear the case, what's called en banc. And so we're still debating as between those two. We've got a couple of weeks left to make that decision.
Regino's is one of many cases regarding parental notification policies in schools, which Regino's team says the revival is a small step in the right direction.
So we're elated as to what this means for the future. There's still much work to be done. It's not an unqualified victory. The court basically just undid the dismissal and said to the district court, reconsider what you've done. But that's work that we're looking forward to doing.
I reached out to the Chico Unified School District for comment, but have yet to hear back. For now, reporting live in Chico, Hannah Gutierrez, North States News.